Namaste, welcome to part 3 of the Asana Flow series. I assume you're here after preparing your joints well, after doing the first flow of asanas which explores the most comfortable plane, that is the forward one. Today we'll explore the other two planes, which is the side and the transverse, that is twisting movements. So first I just want you to stand in the center of your mat and just try to stretch sideways, right? This is an action which we very rarely do. So I want you to be mindful of where you are feeling the stretch, right? If I'm doing this, I will naturally feel the stretch on the side of my abdomen, right? Entire. If I further add a hand raise to the posture, of course, I'll feel it on the entire side as well, right? So these are the stretches that we will consciously feel. Now the next amazing thing that you would notice is maybe one side is more flexible than the other. That is because we naturally use one side of the body more than the other. Which is why in yoga, especially in hatha yoga, you always balance it out. If I'm doing it from one side, I do it from the other, and I consciously notice these differences and work on it, right? So I would now require for you to take a block. If you don't have a block, take bottle, or if you have pile of books, just take those and keep it here, right? So last time we stopped in the squat posture. Now I would want you to stand in front of your mat. Just separate your legs 2.5 feet apart, right? Just extend your arms to the side. The first asana that we would be doing is Trikonasana. Remember, the logic is same. When you go towards the ground, you exhale. When you come up, you inhale, right? Now the next step that we are going to do is turn your right foot to the right side. See that the heel of your right foot is in line with the arch of your left foot, right? This is Trikonasana. So we are naturally going to create angles in this asana. So you are not supposed to bend your legs. But if you find that you have injury or pain in your knee, you are allowed to micro bend your knee, and once you reach the asana, you can slowly unlock it. So let's start again. Stretch your arms to the side. Turn your right foot to the right side. We take a deep breath in, and with the exhalation, we'll try to go down. Who are doing it for the first time, you can take a block so that we don't go deeper. Place your right hand on the block and try to look up. Okay, maintain this posture again. If you're a beginner, for 3 breaths. You're not supposed to bend this like this, right? It's very easy for me to reach the floor if I'm facing this wards, right? That is not what we are trying to do. That is again a forward plane. We are trying to stretch this side. So it's okay to take support of a block. That's totally fine. Just ensure that the side is stretched. And the next important thing which we learned yesterday is the gaze, right? Support your asana with your gaze, and now breathe. 3 breaths. After you advance in this asana, you can keep the block behind and look up. If you improve your flexibility without using the block, you can simply go down, touch your leg and do this. But till then, it is okay to use the block. Then after you're done with 3 breaths, inhale, come up and neutralize your leg. Keep your hands on your hips and relax here for 3 breaths, right? We repeat this on the left side. Now turn your left foot to the left side, extend your arms to the side And gently again with exhalation, try to go down. Keep your hand, stabilize your left hand first, then look up. Try to keep your hand straight. Notice it should look like a cone, right? Again, if you feel like bending your knee a little bit, that's fine, but eventually you will develop the flexibility and you will be able to extend. Keep looking. 3 breaths. And inhale. With the breath, come up. Neutralize your leg and relax your in the center. So you would feel a nice burning sensation on the side of your abdomen. That's what we want. Eventually, you would stretch it. Now the next simple asana that we would do is side bends. So what you need to do is just separate your legs, come in a squat or like a goddess posture. In that, just rest your right hand. Ideally, you're supposed to keep your thigh parallel to the floor, but initially if this is happening, go with it. You will feel a stretch on your quads. Feel that, be with it. And with inhalation again, look up and hold for 3 breaths. If you're not able to hold longer, you can just take the posture and leave. Come up, relax your legs. Again, opposite side. Just rest your elbow and stretch. Stretch your side body. This also helps you strengthen your quads and hold. This is a nice way to stretch your entire upper body. And gently with exhalation, you come up and relax. Now we'll look at a posture in the coronal or the transverse plane. Okay. Now again, take the block, keep it in front of your right foot. We'll always start with the right side. Okay. So this is Parivritta Trikonasana, twisted triangle pose. Okay. Now again, inhale, look forward, feet 2.5 width apart. Turn your right foot to the right side. Inhale and take your left hand up. Exhale and turn towards the right totally. Okay, you have to hold here. First, observe, balance. Check for the alignment. If the feet position that we discussed earlier is aligned, yes. Once you're able to stabilize, again, you're not supposed to bend your leg. If you want to micro bend it, that is fine for the start. Now extend. And remember, with the next exhalation, you're supposed to fall forward. Okay? And rest your hand on the mat. Or if you're just beginning, you can take a block, a bottle, anything where you can rest your hand normally. Okay? Now, if you're a beginner, you need to take some time here to observe how it feels, right? Find your balance. Now, there are 3 points on which you're balancing. Check those, okay? If this alignment feels difficult, you can shift the block here and place it here initially. Eventually, as you progress, get it near, and when you advance, you can keep it on the right side or the back side of your foot. Okay, now fine, stabilize yourself, look forward, your legs are straight. Now take your right hand and keep looking at it. Your gaze helps you in the balance. Gently take it up and make it straight. Hold it there. Keep breathing for 3 breaths. A nice twist will be felt in your spine. After you're done, gently bring it down. Keep your hand on the hip. Look forward. Again, stabilize yourself. Inhale and gently lift your hands up. Look forward. Neutralize your legs. Exhale and relax. So after this asana, you would feel a twist in your hips, in your spine, right? Similarly, we follow on the left side. Feel free to keep the block a little farther. Idea is to feel the twist, right? Even if you keep it here, initially, just feel the twist. That's fine. But problem is you'll not get the maximum twist in this posture. So the closer you come, the maximum stretch you're going to feel. Moving on to the left side. Again. Inhale. Raise your right hand up. Exhale first, just turn your left foot to the left side and turn your entire torso, upper body to the right. Focus, wait. Inhale. Watch your posture, watch your alignment. Remember, we are just finding awareness. The asana is not important. Finding your balance, being aware of which muscles are being engaged is important, right? Now, with exhalation, gently fall forward. Okay. And place your hands on the block. Remember, don't do this because then you're just trying to bend your spine. That will not help you. You're finding the length from your entire upper body. Let your entire upper body help you with the length and the stretch. So again, if it's your first time, keep your hand on the block. You can separate it as well, or once you get used to it, you can keep it near. Rest properly. Look forward. Balance. We are in no rush to lift our left hand up. That's fine. Find your balance and gently release. Keep looking at your hand. If you feel going off balance, you can just stop. That's fine. And twist. Take it at the top and hold. 3 breaths again. And once you're done, first keep your hand on the hip. Look forward. Lift your hand up. Stabilize yourself. Look forward and come back to the center. So this is the way you will develop an understanding of what is happening in the side plane and the twisting movement, right? By now you will feel a burn in your side and in your twist. Remember, again I'm telling you, feeling the twist is important. Alignment will come with time. Don't look at aesthetic postures and feel that it is not happening. Release of muscles, flexibility comes with time, comes with a regular practice. Do it consistently and with your breath. Now I'll show you one sitting posture for twisted movement. First sit in Dandasana. This is like staff pose. Take your right leg, keep it outside your left knee. Okay. Now take your left hand, again stretch it upwards and just tuck it outside your right knee. Try to do this push movement. This movement will give you an extra turn. Try to sit upright as much as you can. Okay. And with this, again, you will feel a twisted movement, right? Just be here. Keep breathing. And once you're done, first slowly release. Release your leg and relax. Now slowly take your left leg, keep it outside your right knee. Take your right hand, extend. Again, tuck it outside your left knee and turn.
Try to keep your upper body as much straight as you can and twist, including your neck. Give a nice twist to your spine. And hold for again 3 breaths. If you can hold longer. Gently come back. Remember, coming out of any posture should be slow and with the breath. Just come back to your Dandasana. Take break after any posture. Just feel, be aware of which muscle seems stressed, pulled or relaxed. Be aware of that sensation. Okay? And the last twist that we'll do is Bhu Naman. So first you need to twist fully. Okay? Look up, inhale, and with the next exhalation, just go down and try to touch your head to the mat and hold. Inhale, come up and come back to the center, and again we repeat the same on the left side. You twist and try to touch your head to the ground. With inhalation, come up. Now it may so happen that because of the lesser flexibility, we are not able to go down or go back fully, right? So you can just go to the side and just attempt the twist and touch your head wherever you find comfortable. Go with your comfort, go with your flexibility. Every range of motion is fine to begin with. Just start and slowly every day measure for yourself. If it is released, if it is opened, if it is getting better, and I'm sure it gets better. Even for me, it took a lot of time for flexibility to improve, and it is still improving. We all have our own journey. Everybody's body is different, but this plane is very, very important. Explore the twisted movements, and then you can keep adding to it. Even at work or when you're not able to do asana someday, try to twist your body, right? Maybe take a chair or something and just try to twist, right? So that you open up your spine, and this helps us open the chest better, which improves our breath, which in turn improves our productivity, our sleep, the way we live, and enjoy the environment better. So go for it. Let me know how you feel. Thank you so much. Namaste.